What's up guys? In today's video, I am going to show you how to log into your Microsoft account in SKLauncher. First, open SKLauncher on your PC. If you're not signed in yet, you'll see the Login with Microsoft button on the main screen. Click Login with Microsoft. Your default web browser will open and take you to the Microsoft sign-in page. Enter your Microsoft email address and password. Then complete any security verification if prompted. After signing in, return to SKLauncher. Your Microsoft account should now be linked to the launcher. If you receive a message saying your account doesn't have an Xbox profile, visit xbox.com/live. Sign in with the same Microsoft account and create your Xbox profile before trying again. If you see a no Minecraft profile found error, it means your account doesn't own Minecraft Java Edition yet, or you need to finish setting up your Minecraft profile using the official Minecraft launcher if you're using Xbox Game Pass. Once your account is fully set up, return to SKLauncher, select your Minecraft version, and click play. And that's it. That's how to log in to your Microsoft account in SKLauncher. If this video tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!